I have a White Rodgers 1f86-444 thermostat that is no longer working. The digital display is not visible and the AC will not turn on when I lower the temp setting by pushing the button. I can, however, turn the fan on and off with the other switch. I tried changing the batteries, but this did not help. Since I cannot find a replacement online, what is a compatible non-programmable thermostat, 1f86-444?
Hello, my name is XXXXX I will assist you today. Do you want a programmable or non-programmable? Also, what type heat do you have?
Non-programmable. Would like to replace the existing unit with something of a similar size to avoid having to touch up the wall around the new unit. I have electric heater.
You can use the White Rodgers 1f86-444. This is pretty basic thermostat. If you are near a Lowe's or Home Depot, you can probably get a replacement there. http://www.amazon.com/whiterodgers1f86-444 non-programmable thermostat/dp/b000 by 1rtdw/ref equals sr_1_1 e equals utf8 and could equals 134852185 and sr equals 8 to 1 and keywords equals 1f86-441.
Is this a newer version of the 1f86-444, and I would assume easier to find online? And outside of replacing the batteries on my old unit, do you have any troubleshooting advice? The display slowly faded over a couple of weeks, and now does not work.
Here is link to one at Amazon.com. It sounds like the old one has died on you. Check that Amazon link, please.
That is what I think also, as it is very old. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/witht.